Meet Rachel. She's an 8-week-old Labradoodle, and she's staying with us for a week of board and train. And we'll be working with her on sit, down, and stand. So I wanted to show you how I teach her those. I'll be using a lure, which is a little piece of chicken in my hand that will be attached to her nose pretty much, that will help me get her into the positions that I'm looking for teaching her today. So we had a little practice yesterday and she very quickly learned how to sit, but we'll continue the session with you today. Okay, are you ready, Rachel? Sit, yes. Stand, yes. Sit, yes. Down, yes. Sit, yes. Stand, yes. So now I'm starting to remove the lure from my hand and only use the gesture in order to get her into position. I'll reward with a treat from my other hand. Sit, yes. Down, yes. Stand, yes. Oh, get her feet in position, yes.